What I have here is a 2019 Nissan Rogue. I'm just going to go through on how to remove the rear bumper. First thing you're going to need is to get your tools. I'm using a little Phillips head screwdriver to get in where the mud flap is. Get your 1/4 inch ratchet. I grabbed a 10mm socket and just grabbed an extension while I was at it. And I also have a set of forks. I find the little one is my go-to, so definitely grab something to pry with, whether it's a metal one or a plastic set. But anyways, mud flap, there's two Phillips head screws on the inside. As you can see, they're coarse thread. And then don't forget underneath, there's a 10mm head screw that's holding the bottom of the mud flap off. That's where you're going to need your 1/4 inch ratchet. Then you got to remember there's one more Phillips head screw, and then you can pry off the wheel well trim. See the clips there? Nothing broke. They came off pretty easy. Try not to pry on the plastic and scar them. And then behind that trim piece is a 10mm head screw that's holding the corner of the bumper on. Inside the hatch, you got two 10mm heads, just like that, coarse thread. Then underneath, you have a whole bunch of plastic clips. This is where that fork is going to come into play. Remember, everything on one side is going to be the exact same as the other side. So the wheel well trim piece will come off the same on each side. That's what the clips look like. They come out pretty easy. I didn't break any of them. Carefully unsnap the bumper from the stay. And if you need to, get a small flathead screwdriver and just push those little tabs down you see there. That'll help release it easier. Then in the middle, you kind of just want to give it a nice firm yank and it all comes off just like that. So if you like this quick tutorial, like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my last video about a paint gun.